You offer up your ego. You offer up the ego is creating the causes for you to separate from attachment, to release yourself from ego, to create the causes. At the same time, when you offer up your ego, the Buddha can never be contaminated by a contaminated offering. Therefore, offering up the ego becomes something that will never contaminate the Buddha. Because people think, oh, we can't offer meat on the altar. But by tantric view, there is no clean and unclean. From the side of the Buddha, his perception of all objects is clean. Therefore, when we offer up the ego, we are not having it anymore. But right after we make the offering, the ego is still with us. But we're creating the causes for us not to have it. Because we're offering up to Tara. Why? Object is Tara. Subject is ourselves. Offering is ego. So when we offer up the ego to Tara, we create the causes that in the future, when we do meditation practices, we're able to separate. How do we? Only wishing the ego doesn't happen. We have to study about its nature. We have to offer it up, create the merits. And when we offer up, if we offer up gold to Tara, we'll get wealth. If we offer up ego to Tara, we will get egolessness. A state of egolessness. Whatever. Why? What we offer will be the result. And you say, well, how come when you offer gold you get wealth? When you offer ego, you don't get a bigger ego? Because the object you're offering to doesn't give you back something double ugly. Offering ego to Tara means offering up one's negative qualities. When one offers up one's negative qualities, what do we get back? Positive qualities. Is it possible to offer negative qualities to a Buddha? Of course, because no matter what you offer to them, although contaminated, can never contaminate them, or are free from contamination. So therefore, when we offer up the ego to Tara, in this case, when we offer up to Tara, Lama Tsongkhapa, Manjushri, when we offer up the ego, we create the causes to not have ego. Therefore, the secret offering is the ego. The inner offering is irresponsibility, laziness, a sense of senselessness, not motivated. We offer it to Tara. The outer offerings is the mandala, representing all of samsara's delights, such as animals, our friends, and clothes, and shopping, and money, and food, and restaurants, and the lights, and cities, and discos, and music, and videos. All the things we're attached to is the outer offering. So when we're holding the mandala and we're offering it, we're visualizing all the beautiful things in the world. He said, but it's just a visualization. Yes, because inherently, nothing is owned by anyone in the world. Nothing. Even if Koki has $10 million, it wasn't his before he showed up, and it will not be his after he dies. So inherently, it's not his. It's not really his. So therefore, nothing in the world is owned. And also, wealth, if you own $10 million, I don't think Koki runs around with it in a bag and then holds it. It's represented by a credit card or a check. So if you show someone your platinum card, they go, oh, wow. You don't have to carry out $10 million like him and then show everybody. You open the mouth of the bag and go. I mean, this guy does that. He runs around with bags of money. He just goes. If you're not impressed with him because he's short and bald, he just goes. Then you go, oh, I respect you. Suddenly he's tall with hair. What's the joke? The joke is it's represented by a credit card. So if you have a credit card and it's platinum or unlimited, they go. You know, if you flash a credit card with platinum, you go to stores, you go to restaurants, suddenly they're very nice to you. I don't know if you guys have noticed. I've had that slight experience before. Joe and I know what it feels like. You know what I mean? Similarly, if your wealth can be represented by a platinum card, why not? Your wealth represented by a mandala. Why not? You guys understand? It's all just how you want to visualize it and how you want to look at it. So therefore, when you offer your mandala, it's definitely possible. It's definitely possible that it represents the wealth of the planet, the universe, and the sun and the moon and all the planets and the stars. You offer up to the Buddhas. And that's wonderful. And then you offer up the inner offering, which is visualized. Your inner obstacles. Then the secret offering is your ego. Then you offer that up. Then you recite all the sashi when you do that to not be done is when you can sun is in the middle. Broken number of Omahida Maguru Ramamadawa Kangira Yataya. We think that Tara is accepted. And when we do that, it's very powerful. Tara does accept it. That's one. Two, she has the power to accept it. Three, although what you offer up is imaginary, visionary, just a vision, just an imagination. Everything you receive in your life now is an imagination. I'm sure when Koki was young, he said, when I grow up, I'm going to marry a beautiful lady and have a family. Well, it came true. You visualize it first. When I was a kid, I visualized myself teaching the Dharma, wearing robes. When I grow up, I'm going to do Dharma work. That's what I visualized all the time. And that's how I played with my cousins. That's how I pretended. Well, that came out true somewhat. So what I'm saying is what we visualize. So if we sit there visualizing all day, I'm lazy, I can't do it, I don't want to do it, I don't have to do it, then it's going to be like that. It's going to be just like that.